Just got my new BestforGirl light all plugged in, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick preview at the amount of light that we get off of this thing. It's crazy. So just real quick, this white right here, this is your veg light. I mean, that's like crazy bright. You see all the blues there. Then I'm gonna turn on your flowering light right there. Again, super bright. I can't believe how much light this thing puts off. And then we'll do the full spectrum, both lights, veg and bloom, so you can see. I mean, it's crazy the amount of light this thing puts off. I haven't grown with it yet, but just looking at it, I'm super excited to get it hung up and get it going. I will say I'm hearing the fan. It does seem like it's a pretty strong fan, good enough to kick out all the heat that you'll need to keep your light, I guess, protected. So, but you will just, want to make sure that you account for the width or whatever while you're hanging your light. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that, how bright it is, and then for you to, make sure that you know that you do have the options for veg and bloom, or both for a full spectrum. So again, looks like a really nice light, and I can't wait to get it going.